But right now I'm like leaving for my class, so yeah, I'm just gonna get dressed. I'm already ready, and this is my, you know, like new hair look, guys. I think like I look cute, and I haven't showed, but then yeah, this is it. My hair feels like it just had its rebirth, you know. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna get dressed, okay, and that's my mom, and then I'm gonna anyways, I'm gonna get dressed, and this is how my makeup looks. I wore like a nude lipstick, so that looks good. Let me try to do minimal makeup as much as possible. Just did my brows and a little bit of lashes. That's it. I've got an acne and another one. It's okay, but I'm gonna get dressed. 누가 쓰던 여자. 아주 누구예요? Wow. So Garima and we both are leaving for our cafe. Location is changed, so Garima. I think even Garima is going to buy one. Yes. 귀여워. 머리 내려줘. Garima isn't shocked. Garima isn't shocked. We are here at Cosmos. Let's go to Kanirare. Reliance Smart Bazaar. Reliance Smart Bazaar. Smart. It's currently like 5 and I am bored, okay, so I wanted to create a couple of outfits that are in my Pinterest board for winter. Okay. So let's play a song. First of all, let's vibe, okay. I can't play without signing up. I feel like this is so ridiculous. Like, dude, why do I have to sign up? Oof, let's do sign up. Okay, wait, what happened now again? No. Oh, so irritating. Oh, I forgot my password, email password. Not my password. Oh, finally. Listen to this song, okay, folks? Take a close and down after the line. The peaceful use of flowers were within your life. Make the money with brother and dad, some morning tea. Dancing with our hands tied, oh we were dancing. Oh boy. What do you guys think? I think listening to this song like after ages, and this song is by Ages and Ages, if I'm pronouncing it right. Choose them up a little bit and choose them with because I don't own a red pair of shoes.
This is the movie we're talking about. Call Me Chihiro.
Good morning, everyone. Don't judge me for my looks right now, okay? Because it is really, really cold outside, and today I don't have my parents at home, and it is morning. It is 6 a.m. right now. So this is how like a 6 a.m. looks in Siliguri right now. It's so freaking cold, and I have a lot of work to do because no one's home. So yeah, let's do together, okay? I'm gonna show you outside. Let's go. Let me take my glasses because I have to clean the room. It's so good to drink something warm in a cold day. Now I know what it feels to not to be with your parents. Do take things for granted because I'm a little no, I am like quite a bit lazy, and I was around not doing things that I'm told to do. So today, when I had to do all the work, together, both my mom and my dad's share as well, I realized that shit, it is not easy. Okay, while I was cleaning outside, literally my back ached every 15 minutes when I was, sweeping the floor, and I realized that how difficult it would be for my dad if dad would be lazy for a single day and he would be like sleeping, and then he wakes up late and then tells me like, Nani, go and like clean outside. I'll get like, I'll give him this side eye, bombastic side eye, and I tell him like, why don't you do your thing? I have my own share of work, and I will be complaining every time. But then now I realize that, you know, I'm young, okay? My bones are still very flexible, and I should be a little humble. Let's do puja, you know. Oh God, I'm done with this big jacket. Can you imagine, like, last time I posted this reel where there was like this kid, you know, like wearing jackets over jacket, and that is me, okay? I have literally a sweater within. Oh my God, I seriously have a sweater within, and I have a jumper, and then I have this big chunky fur jacket. Ah, my goodness, I can't with myself. I'm taking off the first layer. The snake is shedding her skin. By the way, I'm from the Euro Snake 2001. That's why my mom calls me like, yeah, I'm Snake. You know, I never come out of my house. Only when there is like sunlight, I go out. I think I do resemble that creature a lot. When I don't like what snakes are always, you know, like, resembled or denoted for, because people say the snake people are like very, you know, like, you know what I mean. Oh. Ah. My God. Oh. I feel like my back is gonna give up today. Let's have that. This is how it looks like. My dad is calling me. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Today we have Ashwini with us. She came yesterday with my mom and dad. Hello! Anta, Shivana, Santa. के भन्छ
हेर्नु न रिस्ता नानाले के गर्दै मलाई
दामी देखेको छ त अन्त जाऊ खाना खानु
चलो चलो
See you guys later.
See you guys. अहिले भेटौँ ल म्यागी खानु होला त